So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some onions and plums, and I'm going to saute it with some brown sugar, top of a little gorgonzola cheese. I'm going to put this on top of the pork chops. I've done this for years. It works great with onions and peaches, and then pecans. You can do apples and onions and almonds. Today I'm going to use walnuts and plums, and we're going to get this going here. So what I'm going to do is put a little oil in here, a little olive oil, and start this out. And I'm going to add some onion in here. This is a quick sauce, real fast. So I'm going to go ahead and add some onion in here. Let this here do some sauteing. I'm not even going to add it all. Yeah, I am. Got a whole family to feed. We're quarantined up, so we're gonna be able to eat nice. So I got that going right there. And then what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of pepper in there, because I want the pepper to kind of season the pan a little bit, and a little bit of Himalayan salt. I want to get that in there so it can start making your flavors are fused together. Look at that. So it's starting to saute a little bit. That's what I'm looking for, a little bit of flavor. You can add a little garlic in here, some shallots if you want. You know, it's just great just like it is. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these here plums. I just cleaned these plums, or I picked them up at the store today, sliced them up. They're really nice and fresh. I left the skin on. You can leave it on or take it off, however you want to do it. Here's what I'm going to do is saute them plums a little bit. And this is a great quick sauce for something like this. Then I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to add this brown sugar here. I'm going to let this here candy up a little bit. A little bit right in there. Look at that. Also, I'm going to add these here walnuts in there because I want them to kind of pull a little bit of this walnut oil out. I'm going to let that all cook together. And look at this nice fusion here. Oh. Oh, listen to that nice sizzle, huh? Ah, smells great, smells wonderful, looking really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of white wine in here and let this reduce down. Pull everything off the bottom of that pan right there. When I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard, just a little spoonful. I'm going to let this cook for a minute. So anyways, you can see this as you're cooking. You start to see the bubbles coming out there. It's turning into a nice little glaze. I'm going to add some whole butter because this is going to be a nice, but when you put the butter in, it's going to be a nice sauce. When you put that butter in, keep this pan moving because you want that butter to turn into a sauce. And if you stop stirring and the butter just sits there, what's going to happen is that butter's going to just turn to clear. It's going to look like oil in there. And I'm looking for a butter sauce. I'm not looking for a, look at that right there. Woo-wee. Okay, awesome. So we got a nice sauce we just made right there, pan sauce. Got the color come out of that. Let me turn this off. These pork chops are ready. So what I'm going to do is put a couple pork chops on here. Look at that, huh? And then what I'm going to do here, catch this little plum, keep it from running off on me. We're going to top these pork chops with this sauce right here. Look at this, huh? Is that beautiful or what? Let me tell you. It took about 4 to 5 minutes, not quite. And then here I have a little bit of blue cheese. And this blue cheese is going to add you a nice little tart on this here. And that's going to make it pop, give you some sweet, some sour, some creamy. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. We'll see you next time right here with Chef Randall White.